Hello everyone, this is your Saxon mini lesson for 38. So activity sheet 38 that you can see right now, or right over there on the side. Please be sure to write your name at the top, first and last. Okay. You can see that we are going to be working on the letter I again today. For our warm-up today, we worked on reviewing all of our letters and sounds in the alphabet. And when I post this video, I will also post the Bitmoji page that takes you to that video if you'd like to review if you missed the lesson live with me today. So yesterday we focused on the lowercase I, which makes the I sound, like in the word inch. Today we're going to focus on the uppercase I. So I'm circling my uppercase I, which also can say I. Could you please go to the bottom of your page now in the box and circle all of the uppercase I's? So I'll do one with you. You go ahead and circle the rest. Pause the video if you need a moment to do this. Now we're going to go up to the top here where you see 10 spaces. You are going to write the initial sound for the picture that I show. All right, so I have my picture cards here. I'm going to show a picture card. I'm going to make the sound for the initial sound or the beginning sound, and we're going to write it on the line. Today I'm going to tell you what the answers are, right? I want you to check your work today. That's what we also did in class, okay? But on Thursday when you do this, it'll be a quiz, right? So that Mrs. Hill can see who knows their initial sounds or who needs to maybe go back and review one of the letters and sounds, all right? And I'm not going to know that if I don't see your work. So please, 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 a grown-up can help you today while we're practicing, but no grown-up help on Thursday, okay? All right, so your first picture, make this a little bigger here so you can see the picture. So we're gonna write right here for number 1. Write the letter that says P, P, P in peacock. Pause the video anytime Mrs. Hill's going too fast and you need a chance to write a letter. I'm going to go faster than I do in class, okay? So you should have written the letter P for P, P, peacock. Number 2, write the letter that says octopus. This is a vowel. Mrs. Hill's vowels are behind her. This is a vowel that says octopus. I also want you to code the vowel, okay? What do I mean when I say code? I mean I want you to put a breve over top of the vowel that shows it makes the short sound. Octopus. It should look like this. O says Mrs. Hill doesn't have a lot of room here to write her breve, okay? But I want you to do your little breve over top of your O. That shows that O says instead of O, like overalls. Number 3, write the letter that says for mitten. You should have written the letter M. Number 4, write the vowel that says I, like igloo. Igloo. You're going to code this vowel also with a breve. Should look like this. I says igloo. Number 5, hat. Write the letter that says hat. You could also probably write the word hat because we've gone over all of the letters in hat. In fact, in class today, I gave a couple of words that kids could write that were CVC or consonant, vowel, consonant words that had 3 sounds and 3 letters. Let's practice that for hat. So the first sound I hear in hat is H. Then I hear, let's see, ah, like apple. So next I have an A. And I'm going to make a breathe over top of this to show that it's short, like apple. And what's the last sound? Let's see. T. I hear a T for hat. Okay. Number 6. This is a picture of a toucan. Write down the letter that says t. If you wrote the letter T, you are correct. Next, I know this looks like a flower pot, but it has a little bow on it, and it's a gift for someone. So we're going to use gift. And if you wrote the letter G, you are correct. Look how my G drops below the line when I'm writing. And I'm going to try that here too. G drops, the tail drops down below the line. That makes that G sound. All right, we have another vowel coming up, another vowel. Alligator, alligator. Alligator. Code your vowel. Did you make an A with a breathe over top of it? If you did, you are correct. There's my A and my breathe. Number 9, write the letter that says L for lamp. We actually wrote the whole word in class today. So start by writing the first letter. L. If you said L, you're correct. Now in the word lamp, I hear a sight word. Am. I hear the sight word am, which is up on our word wall. And hopefully it's on your word wall or on your word wall journal at home. I hear am. A-M. So lamp. What do I hear at the end? P. Lamp. And finally, number 10, nurse. Watch Mrs. Hill's mouth. I'm not saying I'm saying nurse. N says n. Okay. Now let's go on to the back of your paper. So what we did in class today, I think I did number 1 with the kids, and then I let them do 2, 3, and 4 on their own. So you're still going to do 2, 3, and 4, even though Mrs. Hill stops, but you're going to do it by yourself. So if I look at this first word that's in a box by itself, I'm going to go ahead and box it again to make it stand out. Now I'm going to sound out these letters. So I see T, I, N. I also see the sight word here, in. So I have T, in, tin. So I'm going to look and find another word that also says tin. Let's see. This says tip. Not that one. That says tip. I'm looking for tin. Till. Nope, not that one either. I'm looking for tin. In. Up, there it is. That's a match. I'm going to go ahead and circle that. So I want you to do the same thing for number 2. Find number 2's match. Find number 3's match. And find number 4's match. And try to sound out and read the words. Because all of the words on this page have letters that we've gone over in class. And you should try sounding them out to read the word. These are some sight words down here. So we have the sight word on, at, the, not, and And if you missed our class lesson today, the sight word that we added to our word wall is the word some. S-O-M-E. Oh, don't forget to send me a picture of your work so that you can get credit for your hard work today.